Hello and good evening, children. Welcome back to Sharmila English class. Now, children, after so many days, I am back and with your English grammar. So today we are going to do a new chapter, and I would like to say it's not new for you. Rather, you all have once I have already done that, but then I just want to do it once again so that you all can. It will have a recap session for you also, and you all can learn something more and something new. This is what I am going to do today. But remember, before going through this, before going through this chapter, I would like you all to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Moreover, in my next video, after today I'm going to make two videos. Now, every time I'm going to make two videos, where in one video I'm going to share what I'm going to teach you. Okay, what I am going to teach you, that I am going to tell you in one video. I'm going to teach you in one video, and in another video I'm going to share some PDFs. I mean to say some exercises and some worksheets with answers also. You can just go through that and view that so that you can practice it. Okay, and I guess that will be more effective if you go through that worksheet along with the answers. Try not to see the answer, but still I have put the answer so that it will be more convenient for you to check whether you are right or wrong. Okay, so now children, without wasting our time, let's move on. And the first thing that I'm going to do today is noun. That is the chapter noun. So here I am going to start with noun. Now let me tell you what is noun. What is noun? We say that all naming words is called a noun. All naming words are called noun. For example, a person, place, animal, thing. So these are all noun. Okay. Person, suppose if I say Rahul, Rahul is a person. Okay. Then we say dog, dog is an animal. Then we say Chennai, Chennai is a place. And then we say blackboard, that is blackboard, blackboard is a thing. So what is a noun? All naming words are called noun. Clear? Person, place, animal, thing. They are all called, these are called nouns. Now, further, noun is classified into many parts. What are they? Number one, that is what I am going to do for you, is proper noun. Proper noun. What is a proper noun? First, let me tell you that. Proper noun is a noun when we point our finger towards a particular object, towards a particular thing, towards a particular place, or towards a particular animal. And that is called proper noun. Remember, children, proper noun is always capitalized. It is always written in capital form. Now, proper noun, particularly we use the. In case of proper noun, we use the. For example, if I'll say the Bhagavad Gita, okay? If I will say the Bhagavad Gita, it is a proper noun. Why? Because this is a particular book or particular what you say, it is Bhagavad Gita is totally a particular book that is specially which is used for prayer, or you can say the Bible also. or you can say the Quran. These are the books which people do read as a prayer, okay, in the form of prayers. You can read it. Now, suppose I say in case of the monument, suppose the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a particular name of a monument when we are pointing our finger towards that monument. There are no other Taj Mahal. There is only one Taj Mahal, and that is a particular Taj Mahal, that is which is in Agra. So we say the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Okay, so the Red Fort. So these are all monuments, particular monuments which we point out our fingers, and it is not common, or there are no, you cannot find many Qutub Minars or many Red Fort or many Taj Mahal. You can only find one monument, and it is that particular monument, and that is proper noun because it has got a name. And suppose if I'll say we are going to Chennai, okay. Now there is no more other Chennai where I'm going. Chennai is only one place. Mumbai is only one place. So India is my country. Then we say Bangladesh is another. Now there are various types of countries, but they have got specific name, and those specific name, when we point out our finger towards those specific thing or name or place or person or anything, that is called proper noun. But remember children, proper noun is always capitalized. It is always written in capital letter, whether it's in the beginning or whether it's in the middle of the sentence. You will find that it is always capitalized. The moment when you find that yes, it is capitalized or it is written in capital letter, yeah, that will be a proper noun. Okay, done with it. Now, let us do the next form of noun, that is common noun. Okay, common noun. What is a common noun? Common noun is, you can say it is a general. It is in general, used in general. For example, if I will say that bring me a chair. Bring me a chair means it can be any chair. It can be a plastic chair. It can be a wooden chair. Okay, so bring me a chair. When I'm saying a chair means it can be any chair, whether it is red chair, blue chair, green chair, plastic chair, fiber chair, wooden chair, any chair it can be. So common noun means here we can say it is general. Okay, it is general. Means we are not pointing our finger towards a particular thing. And remember, it is never capitalized. It is never capitalized, or it is never written in a capital form. Sorry. So this is all about common noun, which is called general. Now we come to countable nouns. What is a countable noun? Countable noun is a noun which we can count, and it has got its plural form. It has got its plural form, and we can count it. For example, if I now say suppose one many, that is called countable, uncountable nouns. Okay. For example, an apple, one apple. If I'll say there are 5 apples. Okay, apples. Because one apple. Okay, one apple, but there are many apples. So these many apples means, or we can say there are 4 apples on the table. That means one apple you can count it. 4 apples you can count it. So they are called countable nouns. Things that you can count is called countable nouns, and it has got plural form. So we say apple, apples, banana, bananas, table, tables, chair, chairs. We can count the number of things or person or people or places, then that is called countable nouns. The number of animals, 5 dogs, 1 dog, 4 dogs, 1 cat, 4 cats. So these are called countable nouns, children. Nouns that we can count is called countable nouns, and it has got a plural form. Now, what will be the next one opposite to it is uncountable noun. What is this uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns are nouns which you can never count. It is never in numbers. It is indefinite. You cannot count. For example, rice. You cannot say rices. Okay, and remember, it has not got any plural form. Uncountable noun has no plural form, and we can say rice, rice only. Bring me some rice. Bring me little water. You can tell, please, can I have some water? Water you cannot count. Water, waters, we don't say. It does not have any plural form. So we cannot say waters. Rather, we can say water, water. Rice, we can say rice. Okay, 1 kilo rice or 1 liter of water. That is what we can say. But we cannot count the drops of water or the number of rice we eat. Okay, we cannot count. So they are called uncountable nouns. Remember, children, it has no plural forms. So since we cannot count, so that is uncountable nouns. Since we can count it, so that is called countable nouns. Now, what is the next form of noun? Last form is, we say, collective nouns. Now, collective nouns is a noun which is formed in a group. So, every time we cannot say a group of sheep, a group of cow. So, we need to name them. For example, a herd of cattle, a flock of sheep, a, a bouquet. What is a bouquet? Collection of flowers is called a bouquet. Herd of sheep. Sheep is the animal. Herd of sheep. A team of players. A troop of soldiers. A flock of sheep. A herd of cattle. So cattle means cows. Okay, so you cannot count all. So since in short we cannot count, we cannot say there were 5 cows going together. We cannot say there were 2 to 3 ship going together. So in this case, what we do, we use the collective form, that is a cattle or a herd of cattle or a flock of sheep. Then we say, can I have a bouquet so that I can give it in her birthday? Bouquet is collection of flowers. A library, what is that? Collection of books. So these are called collective noun. What is collective noun? Collection of things is called collective noun. Where many people are gathered, we say that to be a crowd. We say that to be a crowd. Why? Because there is a collection of people. You cannot count the number of heads. So you go to a market, you see collection of people, you see in one place, in one shop, you cannot say there were 5 to 10 people. You can say there was a crowd in that shop. So I couldn't enter the shop. That means there were many people. That's the reason why you couldn't get inside the shop. You couldn't enter the shop. So we say that collection of many things, collection of animals, collection of people, a group of people, they are called collective noun. For example, one more example I'm giving you. Suppose in your class there are many children. So you cannot shout and say, 50 children, please keep quiet. What will you say in that? Class, keep quiet. Or you can say, yeah, children, please keep quiet. Okay, so those children, the group is called children. So here, we can say, class, keep quiet, or children, keep quiet. So this is what we say. It comes under collective noun. So here we have done today noun, that is person, place, animal, thing, or all naming words. All naming words are called noun. Okay, all naming words. Okay, it is called noun. Then we did proper noun. Proper noun is a proper noun is a noun when we point out our finger towards a particular thing, and it is always capitalized. It is always capitalized. Okay, now then we have got common noun. Common noun means it is in general. General, that is when we say, when we do not point out our finger towards a particular object, person, animal or thing, then that is called common noun. Then we have got countable noun. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count, and it has got plural form. Then we have got uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count, and it has no plural form. And last we have got collective noun, those collection of things or person or place, and when we give it in a, we can just name it as a group, in a group, then that is called collective noun. That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. But then if you want, then you can get the exercises and the worksheets in my next video, which I'm going to upload it today only. See you in my next class. Till then, see you. Goodbye. Have a good day.